Hey guys, so here's a new ceiling fan system, Ryan Dan's place. So, why are the lights flickering like this? It's so weird. Maybe it's the switches that are affecting it. But yeah, so this is gonna be the new system. So you have the Stratford tubes right here, but they're on switches now. So I'm gonna turn them on. Let's see if this stops flickering. And they're on low because that circulates the air conditioning better. I wonder if you could still reverse them. It's the one thing, they're high up now. Yeah, I think to reverse them you have to do this. Yeah, you could still reverse them, thank goodness. You could still adjust the speeds on them. But they are a little more higher up than usual since it circulates the air conditioning better. This is the way the maintenance people at my school like it. But during the shoulder seasons, they can be on like medium or high. I'd obviously prefer medium on shoulder seasons usually, since I'm not really a high speed kind of guy. But I know Ryan Dan's a high speed guy, so I'm fine with it with high speed on the shoulders, with high speed on the shoulder seasons. But usually when I'm in here, I usually just put them on medium, usually. But they're on low for right now because I think I'm about to turn the AC on soon. And these Stratford 2s are also on switches. And they're flickering because they're in the way to stop the flickering. You just simply just turn off the lights. Maybe these bulbs are not meant for switches. Come on. And here are the Stratford 2s right here. Let's turn them on. I think the switch has got to be on for the in order to not flicker. This is the speed my you can still reverse these ones too, but they're really high up. So, real life you wouldn't necessarily need a ladder to play with these, but there's AC anyway, so that's why they're on low since they circulate the air conditioning better. I thought about only going with 2 Stratford 2s in here since they had the air conditioning right here. New room in there. They're still gonna be on low anyways. So now the updates are the lanais are also on low. And all the fans that are set to be on 24/7 are on low now too. Downstairs ones I still gotta work on. I think 3 of them stalled out. What is wrong here? Something must be wrong with glitch. These lanais are pretty much glitching. These lanais have a problem, unfortunately. If these still have a problem, these are going to be replaced with Utopians. Yeah, these ones have problems, so they're going to be replaced. I think I might put these ones back in. I'll just take them out. Maybe I'll do it an alternative way. And if the alternative way doesn't work, I'll just replace them anyways. I know the same problem happened with the Mariners too. They hear the Mariners all now on low. These are spending like gear-driven fans now. I don't know why sometimes these Roblox models like to act like gear drive fans or friction drive fans. Like they're kind of acting like Newtone friction drives, kind of. Acting like Newtone. Cameron 2s, let's go in the arcade. Cameron 2s are now set to low default because that helps with the air conditioning too. Same with the Edentons. Match the Cameron 2s, the Edentons are now on low. So anyways, thanks for watching. Enjoy, like, comment, subscribe. And I'll keep you posted when I fix the lanais.